So if you want to lock apps with Face ID and Passcode, first of all, make sure that you have them installed. Now open them up. And for example, let's log our home screen. Let's log our photos. Let's press require Face ID, press require Face ID. And now every time when we're gonna try and open it up, it will require Face ID. So to turn it off, once again, hold your finger, press don't require Face ID. It will not require any Face ID from now. From the non-system applications, it's pretty much the same, so choose it. Require Face ID, you can hide and require or just request Face ID. And basically the same. Right, Face ID. Don't require Face ID. And it's not requiring anything now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.